Father, kasi you have to, I believe that you have to be conscious of what you give, the food you give to your family.
Yes.
Kasi sabihin man natin, sinasabi na hindi natin kayang bilhin ito or hindi natin kaya yung masarap na pagkain. Pero alam ba natin kung anong masarap na pagkain? Ano bang healthy na pagkain? In the end, because we're not aware or not conscious about it, we end up with a lot of sickness. Sabihin man na simpleng sipon lang, di ba? Pero if you have that sipon or your colds more than 3 times a year or 2 times a year, you have to have a cause of concern. Kasi sabi nga, normal daw is once or twice ka lang magka-flu.
Yeah.
More than that.
And we're just talking about common colds.
Oh, common colds lang yun. So now, we get to see some children na meron ng mga diabetes and all these things. So you end up spending more,
and the worst would be cancer.
Yeah. And spending spending medicine is more expensive in the end.
Right.
Diba? Eh, ba't tayo nakakapalabas ng pera para pambili ng gamot and then lalabas yung lahat under stress? Why don't you live a life without stress by giving the healthy food? So consciousness mo and then the effects of chemicals on our food, lahat merong chemicals. So I think it's nature's way of letting us go back to the basics na dapat pwede naman, nangyari naman, di ba, na noon wala namang ano, and I think there are countries like Canada who are really advocating for less pesticides or fertilizers in their food. So kung pwedeng gawin nila, bakit hindi natin gawin rin? Dahil tayo naman, ang isa ko ring observation, I think we lost our agricultural industry or we lost most of it is because nag-introduce nga ng chemicals, ng fertilizers and pesticides. Dahil mahal yun, ang farmer hindi niya kaya, so kailangan niyang ibenta yung kanyang lupa.
Right.
With them ending up na kahit bigas wala sila. So, yun, binenta, mas madali kasi, ibenta na lang sa area